Alright, so here we have these 6 air conditioners not running. Well, heat pump back there. Have it zoomed out for the thumbnail. So, we have a couple Fujitsu units down there as well.
I thought it was kind of quick that you asked me to.
Yep, 2014 one ton, I think. 2013 2 ton, I think. We have Gibson, Rudd, another Gibson, another Rudd, another Gibson, and the heat pump. All of them are 2 tons. The 3 Gibsons are from 05. Yeah, the 3 Gibsons are from 2005. That one's from 2016. So is the heat pump, and that Rouge's from 2019. And they all replaced Gibson units. So, yeah. I just figured I'd get a little video of them. Have it zoomed out again. This is what I used to film startups here now. Even though I won't be here for too much longer, but I'll try to visit as much as I possibly can within the next year, but probably won't be too often. So yeah, I guess that's about it for this video. Over and out.